And what about a transfer on death deed? So, my property gets transferred as well when I die. And how do I get that done? So, it sounds like I need to make sure all my bank accounts have direct beneficiaries. And what about a transfer on death deed? So, my property gets transferred as well when I die. And how do I get that done?
So again, with a trust, the trust is also going to make sure that your home can pass outside of probate. It can also make sure if you need a guardianship that that's taken care of for you. With the transfer on death, instrument or deed, as it's also referred to, if you do a trust, you won't need that. But if you don't do a trust, we can make sure that if we prepare that deed for you, it gets, prepared, recorded with the county recorder, and then it's just like preparing a quitclaim deed, except it's totally revocable. And let's say you give it to your son or daughter, and then you decide you don't want to do that anymore. Now you want to give it to a charity or different family member or friend. We revoke that before the time of your death. And Illinois changed the law not too long ago, and now we can do that at any property rather than just residential property. So it's a very inexpensive way to do this. There's some recording charges that the county sets for that, and there's our attorney fee, and that's it. It's a very small fee compared to a will or a trust. And
Wow.
then as
Okay.
far as your beneficiaries, um, we can talk more about that, but simplistically, you just notify your financial institution of who you want to be your beneficiaries, and there's forms you fill out. But if you do a trust, we can transfer assets into the trust.
Wow. Okay. This sounds good. All right.